Hello everyone, welcome back to Blossom Elite. I know it's been a really long time that I've posted anything on my channel. So today I'll be making thread art, I'll be doing thread art on my canvas. I really hope you guys like it. And if you guys like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. So the material required are canvas. Please use framed canvases. Then acrylic paints, thread, needle and paint brushes. So first I took my canvas, which is about 8 inch by 8 inch. Make sure you buy a framed canvas for this art. Next I started painting the canvas. So I used crimson, golden and pink color for the painting of the canvas. Then I randomly started painting the canvas in different shapes on the sides to make it look beautiful. Make sure you also paint the sides of the canvas. Painting, I took my template, which is basically a printout of a bulb. If you guys want to make the same bulb, I'll link it down in the description box from where to download the template. So then I took the template and placed it upon the canvas. After placing the template, I took a needle and started piercing through the paper to the canvas to make the design. I put a really little gap between the lines, but if you want you can mark it for around 0.3 inches or something, but it's totally up to you how much gap you want your thread to have. Done. I took a needle and a thread and started sewing through the hole that I have made in the canvas. Make sure you start from the back of the canvas when you start sewing. Also try to follow the lead that I have shown you in the video of how to make the design on the canvas. done with the designing of the canvas, I made sure to put a knot behind the canvas so that the thread doesn't pull off, and this was the final result. I really hope you guys liked it, and if you guys try this art at home, please do let me know on my Instagram channel that I have linked down in the description box. If you liked the video, please like it, share and subscribe. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.